Magandang buhay mga kaibigan! Isang panibagong araw at panibagong misyon na naman ang ating gaganapin kasama ang Team Wings of Hope upang makapag-abot ng libreng gamot at medikal para sa mga kababayan natin dito sa bayan ng Mabini, Pangasinan. Kaya tara, samahan nyo kami sa aming pagbisita sa bayan ng Mabini. Bago po ang lahat, nais po naming pasalamatan ang ating poong may kapal dahil kami ay muling ginawang instrumento para makapag-abot ng simpleng tulong sa ating mga kababayan. Sa pamamagitan nito ay hinahangad namin na mapagaan ang kanilang pamumuhay sa kahit munting pamamaraan. Please keep on watching, guys!
I left my consciousness in the sixth diamond. Should've left my soul in his vision. Let's go get it. Let's go get it. Some things don't work. Some things are bound to be. Some things they hurt and they tear apart me. You left your diary at my house, and I read those pages. You really love me, baby. Some things don't work.
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. Well, I know this little chapel on the boulevard we can go. No one will know. Oh, come on, girl. Who cares if we're trash? Got a pocket full of cash we can blow. Shots of patrol, and it's on, girl. Don't say no, no, no. If you want.
Bago matapos ang video na ito, nais po muna naming pasalamatan ng mga volunteers na walang sawang tumulong at sumuporta sa ating medical mission. Sa mga taong nasa likod ng ating programa, maraming salamat po. At higit sa lahat sa amang nasa langit. Sa araw na ito, tayo po ay nakapaghatid ng tulong sa mga residente ng Mabini, Pangasinan. At lagi po nating tatandaan na good perks is giving to the poor and the helpless, but divine works is showing them their worth to the one who matters. God bless you all.
Girls ain't hard to find. If you think you wanna try, then consider this an invitation to kiss my ass goodbye. Give me that title, title. Come and give me that title, title. Better give me that title, title. Come and give me that title.
Hanggang sa muli mga kaibigan, sana kami ay muli ninyong samahan at patuloy nyo po kaming subaybayan sa aming channel. Maraming salamat!